Hey everyone, welcome. Ari Shah here, and today we're going to be talking about Uniswap and what Uniswap has done and its review in 2020, where we are in February, and where we see Uniswap going. So, for those of you that don't know, Uniswap is the solution to all these retail investors who have been having problems with Robinhood, not being able to buy, and people have started to complain because they believe it is a capitalistic revolutionary war where people are starting to doubt the stock market, people are starting to doubt the dollar, people want to know where they should put their money, and they want to put it somewhere without having to trust someone. I don't need to trust someone to have to move my money, and Uniswap is the solution to all these problems. You can connect your hardware wallet to Uniswap. um, you can go right on to Uniswap, click use Uniswap app. I already have it open here. And you can just connect your hardware wallet. And once you have your hardware wallet connected, you can choose either MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet, Fortmatic, or Portis. So this is an extra layer of security, um, because a lot of people don't like having their money on an exchange. They believe that's not as decentralized as it could be. When you have KYC and you're leaving large amounts of money on these exchanges, you should be worried that you may or may not lose your money. So people in the crypto space that have been here for a while usually put their money on a hardware wallet such as the Ledger, and then from there they can connect to MetaMask, and then MetaMask as an extension through Chrome can easily be connected to Uniswap, as you can see. So let's talk about Uniswap, where it's priced right now, and where we see it going. If everyone's been paying attention, February has been a crazy month. January was a crazy month. And right now we are in alt season. So for those of you that are excited and you just got involved, I want you to stay excited. Don't get too nervous. Don't shake in your boots. The crypto space is very volatile, and look at the long-term game. That being said, at some point you do want to retain profits and you do want to have an exit strategy. So with that said, let's jump in and tell you our thoughts on Uniswap. So in the last 3 months, you can see since December, Uniswap was at $3.30. When Uniswap first dropped, anyone who had their wallet connected to Uniswap's DEX and had done a transaction was airdropped 400 Uni tokens. And that was even before this time, before November. I believe it was in September. That being said, those 400 Uni tokens that cost $2 to $3 now each cost $20. That's crazy. That's $8,000 of value. And the thing was, there wasn't a limit on how many wallets you could connect. So imagine if you connected 5 wallets and each one got $8,000. That's $40,000 free money that anyone could have gotten if they were just educated or were using the DEX to make transactions. So if you've been involved in the space and you're following closely, you probably got those 400 Uni tokens, and that is awesome. You're ahead of the game, and now you can play with that money and retain some profits. But Uniswap has a lot more to do, and it is built on the Ethereum network. So Ethereum has had a huge year, and in our description below, we'll have a video link to how we believe Ethereum will outpace Bitcoin in this bull market. From February all the way up to October, we're going to talk about where we believe the price of Ethereum will be. If you've seen one of my last videos, you know that I predicted Ethereum will be cracking 2,000 by Valentine's Day. And as you can see, we easily broke all-time highs few days ago at 1,500, and now we're sitting at the 1,600, 1,700. 2,000 is in sight, and 2,000 will go past that, and I'll have a second video giving my price prediction for the rest of 2021. So if you like this video, if you like what we're talking about here, keep watching videos, like, subscribe, comment. Wherever you are in the world, comment. If there are any tokens that you're trying to purchase, you don't know how to purchase them, comment. I love to see the diverse people that are in this space, because cryptocurrency is going to be a global digital currency. That's my belief. And if you believe so too, well, then you're on the right channel, and we're looking to make parabolic gains. If we look over the last week, we can see that Uniswap got to an all-time high of $22. And now we can see right at this $17 mark, Uniswap's coming right back down. This, guys, I want you to pay attention. This is an opportunity to buy. This February is going to be the most insane growth for all decentralized finance, starting with Ethereum and going down. All of these tokens are built on the Ethereum network. Ethereum, think of Ethereum as the Uber of cryptocurrency, right? Bitcoin has no founder, there's a certain supply, and they're a storage of value, and they can be compared to digital gold. But Ethereum says, we don't want to do that. We want to create smart contracts where we can create a network where people build on top of our platform. They're the Uber of cryptocurrency. So if you think Uber was a good investment, well, this is that times 100, all right? You know, all of these investments are obvious, you know? We knew when Amazon was the best company for shipping items. We knew when Google was the best company. We all knew it. We didn't go with our instinct. And we all know that Ethereum is just sitting at number 2, telling you to buy it. And if you see my other videos, you know I have more than 85% of my portfolio in Ethereum. But that being said, Uniswap is definitely one of my top 5 picks. Guys, don't sleep on Uniswap. It's under $20. If you can scoop it between $17 and $19, you're ahead. You know, this is time sensitive information. So if you like what I'm saying, like, subscribe, click the bell button so that way your friends and you are always getting up to date. If you need to share this with a family member who doesn't understand the space, go ahead and do that. The more people that know, the better, because this is the future of finance, and this is inevitably going to happen. So when you look at Uniswap here, their trade volume has been ridiculous. Let's just look at what they've done over this last year. Uniswap year in review 2020. V2 launch introduces new primitive and efficiency gains. Uniswap launched in May, bringing support for arbitrary ERC20, ERC20 pairs. That, for those of you that don't know, that is related to the Ethereum network, and Uniswap is built on the Ethereum network. Flash swaps have generated 4.8 billion since May, producing 4.4 million in liquidity provider fees. So people mining crypto have been making a lot of money in this space. So a complaint that people have been having is the high gas fees, and those are how miners get incentivized to you know, provide the Ethereum. The Uniswap protocol supported more than 58 billion volume over the course of 2020, up 15,000% from 390 million in 2019. Uniswap liquidity rivals that of centralized counterparts. That's huge, guys. That's huge. They command over 2 billion in liquidity, up to 17,000 from 12 million at the start of the year. 12 million at the start of the year, and they went to 2 billion. Uniswap is literally what it looks like. It's a unicorn. It has more trade volume than Bitcoin. It is a unicorn. It has more trade volume than Binance. It is a unicorn. Looks like a unicorn, smells like a unicorn, works like a unicorn. It's a unicorn. If you have the chance to buy Uniswap, go ahead and do that. You can buy Uniswap on Coinbase, Gemini, or Kraken. I'll have referral links down below. And if you want, feel free to sign up. That's a free way to support the channel, or just smash that like button if you find this valuable. Uniswap as neutral, robust exchange infrastructure. Christmas comes early with Uni token. As part of the launch of Uniswap's governance, 150 million Uni accounts for 15% of supply and currently worth approximately 630 million was distributed to historical users and liquidity providers. An additional 20 million Uni were distributed to liquidity providers between September 6th and November 16th. So that's what we were talking about, the airdrop. That was free money, guys. That was people that were ahead of the game. They were making transactions on the DEX, and they were just winning on every front. They don't have to deal with the exchanges, and they don't have to keep their money on those exchanges. They can just do peer-to-peer trading. That is awesome, and it's a great way for people who want to get specific coins that aren't out yet to go and get them. We're going to be making a video on Akash soon, and that is the D-Cloud token. It's called Akash token, and the team is amazing. And what they're doing is bringing cloud infrastructure to crypto. However, Akash is built on Cosmos. That's unique. Uniswap is built on Ethereum. Okay, so when you see ERC20, that means you can buy coins that are compatible to that. I can't buy Akash on Uniswap because it's built on Cosmos. So that was a little hidden gem. If you've been following with me thus far, I hope you guys heard that. So you cannot buy Akash on Uniswap because it's not an ERC20 token, meaning that it's not built on the Ethereum network. All right, so if you have any questions about that, ask below. More than happy to go and answer all and every one of your questions. Token lists improve ECR20 discoverability, 2021 roadmap, emphasis on governance. Uniswap's long-term success is closely tied to its ability to attract the best available community talent and to engage in effective long-term decentralized decision-making. Expansion of governance requires both improved and focused initiatives like governance, Uniswap, grant programs. All right, guys, so let's go back to this chart. This was the last week. Let's go to the last month. All right, so just a month ago, Uniswap was at $5. So if you've been following this channel, you know that February is alt season. All right, this is where decentralized finance is going to be making more money than ever. And the way that Uniswap works allows investors to have freedom. Okay, you see this? Went straight up. Uniswap was going up exponentially and at like a crazy rate to where it was just it was cracking the top 10, and now it's slowly going down, stabilizing. But you know, guys, I said it earlier, I'm going to say it again. Right now is the time to buy. Uniswap isn't going under $16. It's not. You know, I expect Uniswap to double at least. I think it can even hit February within the next 2 months. All right. That's my price prediction there. Guys, if you like this video, follow, like, subscribe for the third time, comment where you're from, ask me any questions you have, and make sure to grab a bag of Uniswap. You can get it on Coinbase, you can get it on Gemini, you can get it on Kraken. My referral links will be below. And I'll see you next time with more gems.